In this video, we are going to show you how to add or create a LinkedIn recommendation for your website using Elfsight. Now, once you log into your Elfsight account, you want to click on the widgets or hover your mouse on the widgets tab here on the top like so. You want to go to reviews, and under reviews, you're going to see LinkedIn recommendations over here. All you need to do is click on this. It's going to bring us to its own page. Scroll down until you see create widget for free. Clicking that will bring you to this part of the page where you can select a template. So choose a template that you want. For example, this one is going to do for us. Scroll down until you see continue with this template. So clicking this will allow you to just pretty much customize and edit everything. So these are default recommendations or reviews, right? You want to add your own, clicking that, and you can just fill out everything here if you want. And then after that, click done. You can actually edit the layout, the card, and the style, everything to customize your own LinkedIn recommendations for your website. After that, when you're satisfied, click on add to website for free and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on next.